In this video I will show you how to use green screen on CapCut. Open CapCut and tap on a new video, and I will choose this video. For example, I will tap on add, and then I will click on the overlay option and tap on add overlay, and I will add my screen. Tap on add, and as you see, this is my green screen, the subscribe button for YouTube video. So I will remove the green screen. So what I will do is I will slide over until I find remove PG, tap on it, and tap on the chroma key, and I will slide this until I remove the green screen, and tap on the throw button, on the check button on the left, and I will play the video to see how it is look like. And as you see, we use the green screen the best way in the CapCut, and that's it. Tap on the export button on the right top corner, and please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.